Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKER. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green line all the way down here is coming from. And believe it or not, that line was actually relevant on Thursday, but with a huge movement today, I'm going to just go ahead and use this line for nearer term levels. Sure, it still pertains. It's just not relevant. And from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's, clutter with lines all over the place. So we'll try to keep this as clean as possible. One of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level of support going forward is right here at $1.23. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay above the $1.23 mark. With that being said, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that if the price falls below $1.23, that implies the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here right at the dollar mark. So $1.23 and $1, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being quantified as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.23, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at in the near term, seems to be a level right there that's formed at $1.35. If the price can push up through $1.35, next key level is just simply where the party stopped today, and that was up there right around $1.48. All in all, though, anyway, look at it, very nice movement today, and now it's just a question of can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.